What's up, Fix and Cruise crew? Is your car feeling a little off? Maybe it's struggling to get going in the morning, or it hesitates and stumbles when you step on the gas. These aren't just annoyances. They could be your car screaming for help. What is a high-pressure fuel pump? Today, we're diving deep into a critical component of modern direct injection engines, the high-pressure fuel pump, or HPFP. Your car actually has two fuel pumps. A low-pressure pump in the tank sends gas to the engine, but the HPFP is the absolute powerhouse. It's a mechanical pump, usually driven by your engine's camshaft, that takes that fuel and pressurizes it to insane levels, sometimes over 2,000 psi. This super high pressure is needed to spray a fine, atomized mist of fuel directly into the cylinders for maximum power and efficiency. But when it starts to fail, the problems begin. Symptom 1. The stubborn start symptom. Number 1. Hard starting or long crank times. If you turn the key and the engine just cranks and cranks before finally firing up, especially on a cold start, your HPFP could be the culprit. It's struggling to build up that initial high pressure needed for the injectors to work correctly, so the engine is essentially starved of fuel when it needs it most. Symptom 2. The acceleration lag. Next up, poor acceleration and hesitation. This is one of the most common signs. You press the gas pedal, expecting to go, but instead, you get a sluggish, jerky, or delayed response. This is especially noticeable when you're trying to merge, pass someone, or go up a hill. Your engine is demanding more fuel, but the weakening pump can't keep up, leading to that frustrating hesitation. Symptom 3. The shakes at idle symptom. Number 3. A rough idle or stalling. When you're stopped at a light, your engine should be running smoothly, but a failing HPFP can cause inconsistent fuel pressure, making the engine shake, shudder, or idle unevenly. In more severe cases, the pressure can drop so low that the engine stalls out completely. Symptom 4. The telltale light. Of course, we have to talk about the dreaded check engine light. Your car's computer is smart, and it constantly monitors fuel pressure. When it sees that the pressure is too low, it will trigger the light. Standard trouble codes you might see are P0087, which means fuel rail pressure too low, or P0191, indicating a problem with the fuel pressure sensor's performance. An OBD2 scanner is a must-have tool for any DIYer to start pointing you in the right direction. Symptom 5. Pain at the pump. Now, this might seem counterintuitive, but symptom 5 is poor fuel economy. You'd think a lack of fuel would mean using less gas, but it's often the opposite. When the engine's computer detects low pressure, it tries to compensate by holding the fuel injectors open longer. This ends up dumping excess, poorly atomized fuel into the engine, which wastes gas and kills your mileage. Symptom 6. Engine misfires. Finally, symptom number 6. Engine misfires. When a cylinder doesn't get the right amount of high-pressure fuel, it can't combust properly, causing a misfire. This can feel like a surge, a jerk, or a stumble while driving. If the misfire is severe enough, it can cause your check engine light to start flashing, and a flashing check engine light is serious business. It means stop driving as soon as it's safe to do so to prevent catastrophic engine damage. So, to recap, hard starts, hesitation, rough idle, a check engine light, bad gas mileage, and misfires. You may not experience all of these at once, but if your car is showing a combination of these symptoms, it's definitely time to have that high-pressure fuel pump investigated. Getting a proper diagnosis, including a fuel pressure test, is the critical next step. Ignoring these signs can lead to more expensive repairs down the road. If this video helped you out, please like it, And for more car care tips from Fix and Cruise, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.